Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom, and welcome to a episode that we're gonna be talking about the difference between should you start a blog or should you start a YouTube channel? Should you go into the stream of creating articles or should you go into creating video first? So some of you might be struggling with this questions, and so I just wanted to touch base on this one and clarify if you want to start an online business, which one should you start with? Should you create video first or should you create a script for your blog? And so, first off, I just want to say that with one of the all-in-one platform that I really find is really useful and is really very generous on a free plan is if anybody's starting out on a your online business, it's great to check out this system.io. And this place here, they giving you basically very, very generous. I have encountered quite a few platform over the years and I tried different ones. And to me, I think this is one of the most generous, uh, in my opinion, of the free plan that it has for all in one platform. Because other platform, they limit you on the amount of a lot of limit. Like they either give you a course, the option to sell online course, but they don't give you a community. Or they give you either course and community, but they don't have any email contact, or they don't have sell funnels, or they don't have a blog, etc. I don't know. So they have, or they don't have like A/B testing, order bumps. Now this one here, they don't have affiliate program. Like I have seen other all-in-one platform, they rarely ever allow you to run your own affiliate program. And so I really want to highlight that this platform System.io with the free forever plan, they allow you to have unlimited amount of assistant account, meaning that you can hire somebody to go in and update the platform for you. They don't have the webinar here, but they don't have a free migration. They don't have a Kickstart coaching session, but this is because you are going with the free plan. Now, with the free plan, what they do have, I'm telling you, is that they're giving you one automation rule. They give you 2,000, this is very generous, 2,000 contact, unlimited amount of email sent. Not a lot of people knows that. Other email platform alone charge a lot more to get this unlimited amount of emails. And so I just want to highlight that this alone, this 2,000 email of unlimited contacts, sorry, uh, with unlimited amount of email sent is very, very generous. And they give you a blog, a course, a community, unlimited amount of students. And so um, with upsells and tag A/B testing on the stuff is kind of give you a chance to try it out with the sub funnels and all that stuff. But definitely, even when you're starting out with a monthly plan, it's only $27. Like let's just say you can't commit to a year, you're not sure what's going on, you can go with $27 per month, okay? Or you can go with the annual, and this would bring it down. I think I want to say $24. Uh, yeah, less than $24. Between 20 to 24, because this one here probably I think it's 19 or $20 per month just to go to the next plan, which is like you get 5 courses, 5 blogs, 5 community. It's like email campaign and all the coupons code and all this stuff is so generous. And you can do 3 domain and free migration. Look at that. When you go with the annual plan, they allow you to do free migration if you're commit to at least 1 year. And honestly, I think this is one of the most generous platform out there, and the price is very affordable if you go with monthly. The highest is less than $100 with the monthly plan. So if you want to try it out, you're not sure whether you want to start out with blog, you want to start with a YouTube channel or a membership or a course, I really encourage you to try it out because it's free. You're free to try it out. And it takes some people a while to get to 2,000 email. 2,000 emails with unlimited email is very generous. So if you it takes some people 6 months, I don't know. It depends on how hard you work on accumulating the email. So some majority people would take probably 6 months to a year to even accumulate to this amount of contacts. And then you can sign up for more other free platform out there. They might have like 1,000 contacts or something like that, and X amount of email sent per month. For example, 15 or 12,000 email per month example, and you can try to go another route without paying. But still, I think it's good to get started with that one. The next one I'm going to talk about is going to be WebWave, and this one you probably heard about me talk about it before. Now, with their multi-page website and membership page right here and multi-language, it's $14, and they have SSL certificate included in that. And they have what do you call it? Email, 3 emails, a 3 GB, and no limits on bandwidth and stuff like that. You get one free domain for 1 year. What really stood out to me was the membership page, because let's just say you want to have a page that limit to your members, or you have a let's just say you create a member and you haven't have time to create something. It's more like a community with courses and all that stuff. If you just want to have something handy and just have a page for the member to go in to look at your notes, handouts, videos, things like that. And I believe you can also post videos onto these website as well. And then the highest tier is only $22 per month. And remember, this is more like um, an annual price. Okay. And this one right here, you can get to sell digital products, and you can get e-commerce with online uh, payment. Okay, so this is really, if this is important for you to sell digital product, and you go to the next plan, and it's only like $8 extra per month. Okay, and you can also do e-commerce, whether it might be physical or digital products, but you can also incorporate that into that. Now, they're very generous with the password protected pages, and this is really something that I really enjoy and like and would prefer to have into my platform. So if you have a chance to check it out, this is a platform where it's more like a interactive, responsive website template, and they have a lot of templates for you, from blog ranging to e-commerce to business to landing pages, and you can create a limited amount of these pages. Okay, and it's all drag and drop and responsive, um, in terms of what you want to place on the website here. Okay, so they have it all plan it out for you. And if you're great with designing website, if you use Midjourney or you use other platform or like AI art or something like that, that you want to create website for your clients, or other, you're a freelancer or you're an agency, definitely this is a place that you can check out to create a beautiful website for your clients. Okay, so whether it's in real estate, whether it's in whether it's, you can try it out too, whether you into like cooking restaurant, and you have your clients is want to open a website for different restaurant that they have franchise, or it could be like um, Airbnb website where they can go in and book or pay you for booking certain things like that, or like consultations, um, sessions or services that you offer, SEO agency, things like that. The agency account is only $25 a month, and you can go in and bill your clients. You can go in and export and publish website for them, work with your team, export certain code, things like that is very, very unique. And I think it's really worth a try to do that. You can just try it out. There's no WebWave logo in the editor, so definitely this is a white labeling account that you can go in, and your client would not see where this is coming from. They just know that you're creating website or editing website, things like that. So with this reasonable price, you can definitely do a lot with this website. Okay. Or if you don't want to pay X, Y, and Z for doing landing pages, all this stuff here, they have landing pages for you, and they have e-commerce store. Now, some people were saying about how this can replace Shopify or other Etsy or other places. WooCommerce, I think it's definitely has an option for you to do that, because there you can sell physical or digital products on here. You can figure it all out from this e-commerce store here. So don't limit yourself. Just really open your eyes to the possibility and just try it out and see how it goes. So this is just a sample of how it looks like of you selling the physical products here. So very beautiful design here, and it's all pre-made. All you need to do is just fix all these uh, the names and the informations on here, all the wordings on here, so that it matches and the price and everything how you want it done. Okay, so the next one I want to go over is going to be Wave Video, and Wave Video really help you if you're into video editing or hosting and live stream. You can also put videos onto the website here. You can also do courses, mini courses on there onto the member limited, what was it, member page or something like that. You can put limits, password on it. So check it out. You can also request a features. Where was I? If you go to the features right here in solution, they have a new feature option here. You can click on it and you can suggest features that you really want them to work on or something, as you can do suggestions here. Okay, so put down you're looking for some sort of community, membership, some sort of like all-in-one email, things like that, how you can get in touch with your members, things like that. You definitely can check it out. But going back to Wave Video, Wave Video have a free option for you. I know it's not like it has a watermark and it's 15 minutes, but definitely you can create a video for 15 minutes to see how it goes, and you have access to all these stock library of 2 million access of templates and stuff like that, and thumbnail makers. Now, the price is pretty affordable in that you can create text to speech. You can do what do you call it? Do a lot background removal, share link. What is it here? Thumbnail, automatic stylish captions, and oh yeah. So this is here. This is the part captions and subtitle. A lot of people might not know this one has that option. So these are the templates that you can do for YouTube video, your Facebook, Instagram, Reels, video quotes, things like that, and trending templates, and all these are the tools that Wave Video can do YouTube to MP3. So if you want to convert your YouTube to a audio or some sort of different form here, then definitely you can do that. You can convert text to video. This is something that a lot of people are interested in, and a video voiceover and music to video, automatic captions, so much option here. So I would definitely check it out. There's like dozens of different ways that you can have access to royal-free music, text to speech, convert a video to MP3, uh, can easily detach audio file to reuse a separate media, for example, podcast, automatic captions. This is the part that some other platform you have to pay separately for. You have to do your speech into captions automatically. This is really unique. Okay. And not only that, add music to video, music subtitler, music video voiceover, royal free music. Yeah, there you go. So you can do text to speech for 25 different languages. I hope you have a chance to check it out, even with the free plan here, and see how it goes. And last not least is TubeBuddy. Okay, so TubeBuddy has a lot of cool features. They have bulk processing, productivities. They have so much here. Video SEO and productivities and data and research that's going to help you to find out which video should you focus on, which one should you do the keyword research. It's really help you to rank higher, and they allow you to do a thumbnail generator. All this stuff is really unique. And did you know, um, click magnet, these features here is definitely worth a lot. Power of ranking. So it's the main thing is for your audience to click on your videos, and they have a metric to help you quickly figure it out. What's the watch time, the click through rate, and the views. So these three things here combined together. That's makeup of how well your video is doing. So it's if it's in dark green, you're in the top 10%. Analyze all that stuff right here. So I hope you check it out. Click Rate Advanced Analytics, and they have um, click magnet and all that stuff on here to help you. So let me know what you think. They also have a podcast here in that community if you're interested in networking and things like that. They have so much in here. It's not long podcast, but it's definitely to the point and is very short and concise. And I really encourage you to just have a habit of checking it out and put um, if you want to put your face out there, you want to do it through a blog, that's fine. If you want to do it to YouTube, or you don't want to have your face being recorded, but you want people to listen to your voice, and podcast would be the way. Okay, so you can still do that with wave video. Now with this one here, it's extract the audio, extract the word, things like that. You can do a lot. You can extract the captions, subtitle, all the stuff here. Definitely has that option in there. So don't limit yourself on that. And just check out to see what this platform has to offer for you. And you can look at the use cases and see how it looks like. Their examples, basically. Just see how to go from text to video, how to go intro, outro, video and email. So much options out there at give to video, all this stuff here. Okay, so I hope this video helps you to get started, and don't get hung up on how things gonna turn out. Don't expect like things to really your first few 10 videos to be really good. Just the main thing is to get the ball rolling, okay, and then there's a saying that you cannot steer a parked car. So if you just lingering and analyzing and paralyzed by a decision, what's better, what's better. Now you just have to start going and start making, just steer once you just have to adjust accordingly, just evolve and change once you get started, okay? So I hope that you will start something new, whether it might be having a blog or having a YouTube channel or starting an email list or sell um, courses or create a community. If you're shy and you don't want to, put yourself out there, you can still create a membership page. You can sell digital products or physical products, things like that. So the main thing is to get started. If you like this video or you like more videos like this, let me know, and we can walk you through. And I also working on having a like a program or a membership um, program or accelerate program to help you get started, to jumpstart your online business. If you're interested in that, I'm gonna put in description below if you're um, interested, and let me know. And don't forget to sign up for my email so that if there's things coming up, I can email you and let you know when it go live. And it's going to be like founding members for people who get in early. You're going to get low prices, and it stay that way. So if you're interested in being part of a community that creating YouTube or blogging or podcast, things like that, don't forget to sign up for my email so that I can notify you when that accelerated programs rolling out, and mentorship, and just coaching, helping you with that accelerated program so that you reach your goal sooner. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you think, and let's finance your freedom. Thank you.